I gave you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be a space themed makeup look because I've got this new makeup palette. If you have not seen my what I got for Christmas video, that will be linked down below. I feel like in my most couple of videos to do with my Christmas presents, I will be just promoting the video. But this is the palette I got off my sister and it looks like that. So I'm going to just do a space theme and like just play about with this makeup palette. So the main colour I want to use from this palette is this one here because it just makes me think space theme. It doesn't show up that well, so we might need to put it on a little bit. It might just be the lid coat. Except from that, I don't know what other colours I'm going to use. I'm going to use my new makeup brushes. These are my new makeup brushes I have got from my friend, and then I've got some others that's from my sister in there as well. But I'm going to use all of these. They're so nice. Let's just get into it. My eyes may look a little bit different, probably not. I was showing you this colour, but
My camera decided to say it was too full.
so this is the colour I was using to make it go a little bit brighter because this looked bright enough, but it's not. I'm going to use this colour as well. As you can see, this one's so bright. So next colour I'm using is this colour here. It's like a dark purple. I'm just using it on the cut crease and I'm using this brush. So this is the eyes without mascara on. I'm going to put my new mascara on. I have had this mascara before, but I've never had the full version. And I'm really shocked about how big and small the other one is. The other one, compared to the big one, is like the size of that. I have been the small one, so I can't show you what it looks like. So this is the primer. I should have put it on my lids, my eyes, but I did not. Sometimes I put it on, sometimes I don't. But that is massive. And then this is the mascara I'm going to put on now. So let's get into putting on the mascara. So this is the eyeshadow with the mascara on. Now the last and final things to do is put my blusher on and my highlight. But this is the final look. I'm really pleased with it. I'm actually going to put this makeup look on my Instagram. It is like another one I have done before. I'll try and put a picture here. But that one was a purpley pink and blue makeup look. I do like my pastel colours, and I've got this lipstick on to match as well. Let me know what other makeup looks you want to see in this year, because I'm really getting into doing my makeup and creative with my makeup, and just showing you different ways to be creative but also love yourself and not do it to look more confident. Of course, makeup makes you confident, but I'm here to spread awareness to love yourself with makeup or with not. I don't want anyone to think that I'm making this channel or like doing this to be like, you need to wear these clothes to look confident, you need to like wear makeup to look confident. I'm just doing it because I love doing this, and I want to show you guys how you can still be creative with your makeup but also love yourself with it and love yourself out it. Because most of my videos I don't have makeup on like this, I'm barefaced. So I hope I spread that awareness around, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit subscribe, because we're on our way to 500 subscribers. And let me know in the comments what makeup look you want me to try out next. If it's like just a pink makeup look, a green makeup look, any colourful makeup look, because I feel like I do natural makeup looks a lot. And of course, I would wear this out actually, but most people don't wear the makeup look out. But for YouTube, it's cute and it's nice, and it matches my own grande light. But I'll see you next time. Bye!